we would love to give a little bit more in-depth information because we got some feedback from partners around, and especially questions around, okay, that discovery workshop, what is that discovery workshop? What will be the content of that workshop? What will be an outcome, etc. So that's why I think I will give you an update in just a few minutes. So as you might know, of course, the Road to AI program is there for Dynamics partners who want to start with offering AI to the customers but don't know where to start or what the opportunities are, etc. And therefore, we have basically created the Road to AI as a program where we have a lot of services, from a discovery workshop to adoption programs, etc. And today, I specifically want to dive into the first one of the journey, which is then the discovery workshop, which is in most of the times the actual start of the journey of partners. And then maybe you're familiar with this slide. We presented this one pager of the discovery workshop a couple of times already, but I would love to give you a little bit more background information around this discovery workshop. So if we look at the purpose of the discovery workshop, that's all related to, of course, how to spot opportunities with regards to AI. The challenge is not if AI matters, yes or no. No, the real challenge is where to begin, what to prioritize, and what should we do as the next step for us as a partner. So in this workshop, we will not start with technology just for the sake of starting with all the AI products Microsoft released in his stack. No, the workshop will begin with context, your pain points, your opportunities, your ambition as an organization. Where do you want to focus on? If you're focusing on a specific niche or industry and you want to offer AI over there, we can basically guide you through that discovery workshop to basically set priorities. So the outcome of that discovery workshop is not just the conversation and then after the workshop everyone enjoyed the day and that was it. No, after the workshop you will get prioritized opportunities for you as a partner organization. Also, of course, a scope. So if you're more leaning towards selling, promoting Copilot to your customers, or if you want to build your own agents for your customers, define depending on which direction we will give you the scope for the next steps. So that's basically the deliverable of the discovery workshop. Basically, you will get a list of opportunities, next steps for you as an organization. How does the workshop look like? First of all, it's not the same for everyone because not everyone is starting their Road to AI journey from the same place. Of course, some organizations are already exploring agents. Some organizations want to understand how to build agents with Copilot Studio, for example. Others just want to focus on really adopting Microsoft 365 Copilot as a personal productivity boost. And some are maybe already way more advanced and want to discover more around Microsoft Foundry. And that's basically why the discovery workshop can be hosted in different flavors. So it can be more focused on an agent discovery, a Copilot Studio discovery, Microsoft 365 Copilot, or Foundry. That's basically the four main flavors. And that's, of course, not something we will find out during the workshop. It will be defined beforehand. So if you're interested in the discovery workshop, of course, we will have a pre-workshop call with you as a partner to define what you're looking for. If it's more agent oriented, more Microsoft 365 Copilot oriented, that will basically define the direction of the discovery workshop. But despite the flavors, the workshop will always begin the same way. And that's basically the first 30 minutes will be an inspiration. And that inspiration is on Copilot and agents in general, what that could mean for us as a partner in a specific industry, in a specific niche, maybe having own IP. That will be really the inspiration part of the discovery workshop. So that's the first 30 minutes out of the 4 hours. It's a half a day workshop. And then basically the real discovery exercise starts, where we, together with you, are searching for your pain points, the opportunities, etc., and define the next steps. And also, of course, to come to real use cases. Because in the end, you want to get a real use case, for example, for building an agent for your customers. And that's something we will figure out together during that workshop. We already did around 50 of those discovery workshops with partners and end customers. By the way, just a side note, I mentioned end customers. It's good to know that this discovery workshop we are not only offering to you as a partner, but we can also offer that to your end customers. So if you have an end customer who is interested in starting with AI but don't know where to start, and you don't feel comfortable yet to guide them in that conversation, we can do that for you as well. You can sell it and we take care of the delivery. But as said, we already did around 50 deliveries of that, and we get great feedback around how that discovery workshop is experienced and received by the partners. And one important thing, it's often just the start, because that's the nice thing of a discovery workshop. We give you inspiration, we together with you go through your current pain points, the opportunities, etc. And then basically in the end that could lead to other services like, hey, maybe you want to get help in rolling out Copilot in your internal organization first, and you want to have an adoption program, or you want to get hand-holding on building your first agent. So that's often the next step after a discovery workshop. And just recently, because this quote is from a partner who experienced it this week, so it's not a random one, it's the most recent one, I would say. The AI discovery workshop was highly informative and practical. That's of course the part of being in the workshop, practical, delivering valuable insights and actionable ideas for applying AI. And that's what I mentioned before with the opportunities. We are searching for opportunities for you as a partner in your specific niche or industry. And the overwhelmingly positive feedback from our team, because we are not giving the workshop to just 1-2 people. No, you can bring your team together. Ideally, a mix of technical people, salespeople, C-level people, which can then talk together about the opportunities. And as stated in the last sentence of this quote, we truly appreciated the engaging formats, deep expertise, and open exchange. We have, of course, maybe you've already heard about them, our sister company, Digital Bricks. That's really a frontier firm, an AI first company within Companion, I would say. There we have the people with the right expertise to have an engaging workshop with you. So just in a couple of minutes, I hoped I give some more background about what the discovery workshop contains, what the outcome is, and how it's also experienced by other partners. And just for some more information, and because I guess the slides will be shared with you, I included a nice one-pager as well, where you once again see what the workshop can deliver. Like, it will end up with a readiness assessment. You will get your well-scoped business priorities, a structured roadmap of the next step we have as a suggestion for you. So really a tangible outcome of the discovery workshop. So if you're interested in those discovery workshops, of course, we would say start your discovery, reach out to your PSM. We are able to have a pre-call with you, as stated before, where we can see which type of discovery workshop could be of any interest to you.